Thank you so much, beautiful. Listen to me here today, and welcome back to my channel. This is 10-minute engineering solutions. Today we'll discuss about the. You can see the picture in here, ATB 32, the model VFD. So I just want to show you the system. Just you want to see this video very carefully. How just I opened it step by step. So total dismantling system I want to share with you. Total system, but this is very difficult to open. So some engineer and some people asked me to make a video that was that is need to how to dismantle the ATV32 model. So this is actually very difficult to open because dismantle. So welcome back to my channel. This is 10-minute engineering solutions. So this is the 7.5 kilo PFD nameplate. You can see the picture on Altiver ATV32 ASU. So this is the actually no number. This is the Allen key. I just open it using these tools for need to loose the screw for open the PFD one by one and by step by step. So you just need to keep silent and you want to keep to remind this video and for step by step and to how just I open it step by step. So first of all, I'm just told you that before I just making this video, I just open it and then for your better understanding for your easy operations for very short time make a video for which otherwise video will be very long. So you can, this is the lock. This is the lock connection for two lock connections. Need to open this fan connection. First of all, I need to open the main top cover. You can see how just I apply. Yes, this is the top cover of this one. You need to very carefully to open this. And this is only the ribbon connection for the button. Yeah, this is the ribbon. The button is for this one is button. Yes, this one is button for open this for connection of this main controller to this connection point. So I want to open the second circuit. This is the controlling connection circuit. This is the controller controlling. This is the controlling card. I open. I just I open it. You can see it carefully, please. Otherwise, you cannot understand or you cannot open it. Why I just want to open it, because if you have anything wrong inside the VFD, so you must to open it for cleaning purpose or check purpose. So for the reason I'm just deassembling with this circuit. So this is the controlling circuit. I just open it very carefully and keep it beside this VFD for one by one. Yes, I'm just keep this both those to sit and I just want to open this next step. This one is the frame of the main controlling point, the connections. There was the, you can see I just open it and there is the two male and female connector. You can see. Yes, I just open it. Yeah, this is the male female connector. You just need to open it very carefully, otherwise the cable or wire will be broken. So it's very tough, so you need to open it very carefully. So I just open it three part of this VFD. So you can see this is the two male female connector. And inside I found some dust. You can see this is the connector options. Okay, and last you can see the next option. There was the we need to the assembling of this main circuit. So I just lose this circuit for some screw. This is, you can see this is the one part. I just open it, but I need to open the this similar condition another part. There is another part. You can see the bottom part in the top part. I need to one by one, step by step, full dismantle. So I cannot open fully from this point. So I'm just trying to open the upper side, the assembling. You can see just trying to open the upper side. You just need to lose this clamp. This is both side. This side. In the lock, here is the plastic lock in here. You need to open the lock from this side. Yes, I just open this. Yeah, this is the cover of this main motherboard circuits. If you turn this video, if you not turn this video, okay, if you turn this video, you cannot understand. So you need to carefully and step by step this see this video. Okay, I need to open this one is the output connection T1. This is the output connection from the VFD. You can see I just open it. T1, T2 and T3 or UVW. I just open from this circuit. This is the input connection circuit. Okay, no problem. I just open the motherboard circuits from the main assembling. You need to remember step one by one, otherwise you can chance to forget. So I need to open the main, that was the IGBT circuit. Okay, I just open all of the screw. Yes, and transfer this cable from this. Yeah, you can see the, oh my god, the maybe IGBT is defective. You can see this is the fan connection and the male female connector from these connections. So this is the both connection of this point. This is the connector. Yeah, this connector options. This is also the connector option. So you can there is a burn of this plastic, the structure or assembling. Maybe yeah, maybe circuit is damaged or IGBT is damaged. So I just want to open the IGBT circuit and the main circuit. For the reason I need to open the all of the screw. So you can see there is a IGBT screw I need to open. So I'm just opening the IGBT screw, IGBT fix screw, two screw fixing for the IGBT for tightening purpose. So I need to open this time. Just opening the IGBT circuit, the main circuit. There was this one is IGBT. Yes, the white color, the aluminum color. Yeah, you can see maybe a damage of this IGBT because in the is a burn of this circuit. Also found some short circuit happened maybe inside the IGBT. So that is the thing. So if you want to dismantle, yeah, I am just confirm that the IGBT is damaged because here is a symbol of this. Yes, this is the burning symptoms in here. So lots of dust also inside the circuit. So if you want to clean this video, if you want to clean this VFD, no problem. You just open if the VFD is damaged. Okay, thank you for listening to me actually. Thank you.